Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you get the most out of your mobile media experience. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on your Android phone so you can keep all your favorite songs and videos organized in one place. So now, let's get started. Step 1 is to open your preferred music or video app, such as YouTube Music or the main YouTube app, and find a song or video that you really like. This step is important because you need to select a specific piece of content to act as the foundation for your brand new collection. For step 2, you need to tap on the 3 dots representing the menu or look for the dedicated Save button located near the title of the media. This action opens up the secondary options for that specific file, allowing you to manage where the content is stored within the application. In step 3, select the option to add to playlist from the list and then choose the command to create a new playlist. This is the part where you tell the app to generate a fresh category instead of just adding the song to an existing or generic folder. Moving to step 4, you should give your new collection a unique name and set the privacy level to either public or private depending on your preference. Naming your list makes it much easier to find later in your library, while privacy settings control who else can see your curated content. Finally, for step 5, simply hit the Create button to finalize the process and start adding more of your favorite content to the list. This completes the setup, giving you a personalized space where you can enjoy your media without having to search for each individual item every time. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.